The Friendly Dragon. Once upon a time, there was a dragon named Sparky. Unlike other dragons, Sparky wasn't scary. He loved making friends. One day, a group of children wandered into his forest. At first they were scared, but Sparky gently blew tiny sparks that looked like fireworks. The children laughed and soon realized Sparky was friendly. They played games and shared stories. Sparky even helped them find their way home. From that day on, Sparky became friends with all the kids in the village, and they visited him often for fun adventures. The picnic surprise. Anna and her family went on a picnic in the park. They packed sandwiches, juice, and cookies. As they were eating, a little squirrel came close. Anna offered the squirrel a piece of her sandwich, and the squirrel happily ate it. Soon more animals joined in, birds, rabbits, and even a deer. Anna was surprised but happy to share her picnic with her new animal friends. It turned into the best picnic ever, full of nature's surprises and fun. Anna learned that sharing brings unexpected joy. The Flying Kite. Max loved flying kites. One windy afternoon, he took his new colorful kite to the park. He ran fast, holding the string, and the kite flew higher and higher. Suddenly, the wind blew stronger, and the kite flew out of his hands. Max chased after it, but the kite was too high. Just when Max thought he had lost it, a kind stranger caught the kite for him. Max was so happy and thanked the man. Max learned to hold on tightly next time, but he also realized that help is always around. The Brave Kitten. Tiny the kitten was always curious but scared of new things. One day, a big storm hit the town. Tiny hid under the bed, scared of the thunder. But then he heard a small cry. It was a little bird stuck outside in the rain. Tiny knew he had to help. Gathering all his courage, he dashed outside, grabbed the bird, and brought it to safety. The bird was so grateful. Tiny realized that sometimes being brave means helping others, even when you're scared. The Rainbow Cake. It was Lily's birthday, and her mom decided to bake a rainbow cake. They mixed different colors of batter and baked each layer. When the cake was done, they stacked the colorful layers and covered it with icing. At the party, when Lily cut the cake, everyone gasped at the beautiful rainbow inside. It was the most colorful and fun cake ever. Lily loved her birthday, not just because of the cake, but because she had fun baking and sharing it with her friends.